What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and check this Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Well, I'm not a good mobile reviewer. My choice is different, but as this is the new one and with loaded of features, so I wanted to test this one and to share this with all of you. So here you can see Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, and it's designed for Motorola Mobility India Private Limited, made in India. And this is the 256 GB version, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, 50 MP Sony Light here camera, and the Snapdragon Gen 4 processor, which is very good and powerful one. And the color is Pantone Blue Surf, Motorola's brand partner for the color. That's why you get extraordinary colors that comes with the Motorola mobiles. This is Edge 70 Fusion. There are few colors options are there, but the 60 was better. More option was there. Anyway, let's unbox this. Alright, that's the mobile. I bought this from Amazon. So as you know, Amazon is also doing the open box delivery. So that's the reason this thing is already open. So this is the mobile phone, and all the mobile phones fronts are black nowadays, so that's very common. But here comes the back side. That's the Pantone blue, but no Pantone logo is right there. 4 camera setups are there, but 2 are actually cameras, and one is the sensor and another one is a flashlight. At the middle you get this nice M logo, Motorola logo, and this back panel, this is not the leather one like the old models. This is called linen, the fabric that is much popular in the garments. So this is that kind of finish, the linen, and pretty thin. You can see at the bottom you get this SIM tray, then microphone and Type-C charging port, and the speaker. And at the top you get this Dolby Atmos logo and noise cancellation mic. This thing has a stereo speaker, so I guess that will be here beside the earpiece, or earpiece is going to work as the speaker, stereo, another speaker too. So on the right side there is another hole. I don't know what is that for. There's a volume rocker button and the power button, and left side there is nothing. The side edge, this is the plastic, and this thing has a Gorilla Glass protection. So let's turn this thing on. Okay, let it turn on completely. Till then, check out the other accessories. Get a 68-watt charger and Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And we get anything else? No. Okay, and on this side documentation, user manual, and what is that? Oh, that's the SIM ejection tool inside this packet. Wow, that's nice. And what is this? Okay, and this, and so that's it. Now the bad thing is that they didn't provide the back cover as we used to get in the previous version. That thing is missing in this packet. Alright, so this thing is turned on and you're gonna finish it up. So after turn this thing on and set it up, this thing was searching for the updates and it's applying now. The nice thing is that you'll get 2 years of OS update and 5 years of security update, I guess. That's the nice thing. So let it finish the job. Right, so the setup is done, and it is installing and updating some apps. We're going to check that later, but as you can see, is quite smooth, and the haptic feedback is pretty good. So now let's check the camera. Alright, so here you can see picture quality is pretty good. So I'll give you a demo of this thing after using for some days and camera and all. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.